You don't need to be a financial expert to sense when something feels off. Some gold IRA companies may be legit on paper, but they rely on shady tactics like vague offers, tricky upsells, or too good to be true bonuses. Here's how to spot those ethical red flags fast. Let's start with a basic search. I'll type the company name, free silver offer, or gold IRA special bonus. When you click into the results, pay attention to the language. If the bonus or promo sounds big, but the details are vague, that's often a tactic to distract you from hidden costs. Then during your consultation, notice if they steer you towards specific products without a clear reason. If they push hard on certain coins or dodge when you ask for a written breakdown, that's a sign they're not putting your interest first. Want to know what ethical red flags to watch for? The free company comparison checklist helps you catch the tactics most people miss before they cost you. I'll link it in the description below this video. Even real companies can play dirty behind the scenes. So if something feels off, trust that instinct and grab the free checklist below this video. It will show you what to ask and what to walk away from.